push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. Ha, yeah, it's like a jungle sometimes. It makes you wonder how I keep from going under. Standing on the front stoop, hanging out the window, watching all the cars go by and roaring as the breezes blow. Yeah, 1, 2, and now what you hear is not a test. I'm rapping to the beat, and me, the groove, and my friends are gonna try to move your feet. Ha, you see, I am Wonder Mike, and I'd like to say hello to the black, to the white, the red, and the brown, the purple, and yellow. But first, I gotta bang, bang, the boogie to the boogie, say up, jump, the boogie to the bang, bang, boogie, let's rock. You don't stop, rock the riddle that'll make your body rock. Well, you're in a place where the nights are hot, when nature's children dance and set a chance at this Mother Earth, which is a rock. Time has come and worked for soul. Show you really got soul. Now are you ready? Hump, hump, bump, yeah, bump. Now let's go house. Rock it, don't stop it. You gotta rock it, but don't stop. Keep ticking and talking, working all around the clock. Everybody say rocking and talking and shocking. Now everybody, when I say hip, you say hop. Hip, hip. When I say hip, you say hop. Hip, hip. Now when I say late, you say lounge. Late, late. When I say late,